In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import PDF to Figma without plugins. By the end, you'll know 3 reliable ways to bring a PDF into your Figma project quickly, cleanly, and with the best chance of keeping things editable. First, a quick note before we start. PDFs are containers that can include text, vectors, and images. When you bring them into Figma, some elements may come in as flat images, while others may remain vector-based and editable. What you get depends on how the PDF was created. With that in mind, let's walk through the options and when to use each. The fastest method is simple drag and drop. Open your Figma design file and make sure you are on the canvas where you want the content to land. Then, from your computer's File Explorer or desktop, click and drag the PDF right onto the canvas. Release to place it. If your PDF has multiple pages, Figma may import them as separate images or frames. Zoom into 100% to check clarity, and if the size feels off, use the scale tool so text and shapes remain proportional. This approach is perfect for quick references, mood boards, or when you just need a clean snapshot of the PDF inside your design. If you prefer a tidy file workflow, use File Import. In Figma's file browser, click the Import button. Select your PDF and click Open. Figma will add it to your chosen file, often placing it on the canvas or queuing it for placement. This method is great when you want to keep your assets organized and ensure the PDF is attached to the right project from the start. After it appears, inspect layers in the sidebar. Sometimes you'll see grouped layers if Figma recognizes vector content. For the best chance at maintaining editability, route the PDF through Figma. Open a Figma file and drag the PDF onto the board. Figma tends to preserve more vector shapes and text from certain PDFs. Once it's on the board, select the elements you need, copy them, and paste directly into your Figma design file. This can give you editable vectors and selectable text, which is ideal for tweaking icons, diagrams, or layouts. If fonts don't match, apply your project's text styles once it's in Figma. To wrap up, use drag and drop for speed, file import for a clean workflow, and the Figma route when editability matters. Test your specific PDF with each method and choose the one that preserves the most of what you need. Happy designing!